In this lesson, we will set up the web servers in our topology. We have 3 web servers in our topology: red web server, green web server and blue server. I found a small-sized Linux server from the internet for these web servers. I configured the IP addresses and web pages on this Linux server and prepared everything, and I added the installation files of these servers under this video. You can download the files under this video. I downloaded these files before. Let me show you the installation files I downloaded. We have 3 servers: red server, green server, and blue server. When we enter red server, you can see the OVF file here. We will import the OVF files here, and after importing we will only select the network adapter. Now let's move on to our board. I say open virtual machine. I choose the files I downloaded from here. I come to red server. Here I say open to OVF file. Let's give a name right away. Let's call it red server. I say import. Now we have imported our first web server. Let's change the network settings from here. Our web servers will be in the internal VLAN on VMnet2 in our internal VLAN. Here we call custom and choose VMnet2. I say OK. All you have to do is to import this OVF file and select our internal VLAN, VMnet2, on the network adapter side. After that, when you power on, the servers will be ready. Now let's import our other devices. I come to the home page. Let's call it green server. I say import. Let's set the network adapter of this too. This will be on custom VMnet2. Now let's import our other server. Let's name it. Let's import. It was imported on our third server. Let's make the network settings here. We choose VMnet2, and we use subnet 172.16.0.0 in VMnet2. All you have to do is download these files from the resources section under this video, import them here and run the servers. Now let's get our servers up and running. IP addresses and web pages are configured on our servers. They will be ready when the servers start working. That's all for now in this lesson. See you in our next lesson. Bye.